Guys, mount your camera on the tripod. You can use either land or portrait mode. After that, you're working like I just did. Your primary purpose here is just to clap your hand after you wait for a few seconds. Okay, so immediately you clap your hand now, then you do as if you are looking at your shirt. Imaginary, what happened? This shirt just changed color, you know. Then after looking at yourself for a few seconds like that, you can now walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, you are going to be clicking on CapCut here. Click on new video there, import your video to workspace and click on your video. Click on volume and reduce it to 0 guys. Then you mark on this good and go back. Locate where you want it to start from. So from this point here, we are going to be making a split here to delete this first part of it. Then you click it and expound it for a clearer view. Then after expounding and positioning it guys, locate the part you clap your hand. At this point you make a split at this point here. As you make a split here now, then you go and remove the unwanted part. Let's locate where we want it to end. Okay, the moment you do a thumbs up, make a split here and delete the last part. Then you come back. This is what we have got. Guys, make sure you watch this video to the end. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that other subscribers will benefit from it. Okay, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. All right, you are welcome back to this very tutorial now. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to click on this one now and go and look for adjust. That second part, click on adjust there. Then you look for HSL. Click on HSL, this is it. Click on that red there. You come to saturation and drag it back to 100%. Okay, drag it back. After that, you mark on this good and go back. This is the result of what we have got. Play it now. The moment you clap your hand, your shirt changes into something else. You can see. So this is what we have got. This is good. You can try this at the comfort of your home with just your smartphone and your CapCut app inside the same your phone. But this is what we have got. So after this, you remember to add your sound effect, your light effect. That means your clapping hand and the rest. After adding them now, you can now export this video to your gallery. Okay, click on export then now. As you export this video to your gallery, this video have installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles. Okay, like, comment and share this video so that YouTube will recommend it to other subscribers out there. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. Locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop amazing tutorials. You have watched this video to this point, it means you want to learn. Okay, DM me anytime you are confused about anything, then I am going to put you through. Thank you for watching guys. See you in our next video.